So, I mean, I was fortunate enough to grow up in the United Kingdom, which is a lovely place, of course, and I lived and worked there for a very long time. And moved to Switzerland 3 years ago, and I wasn't expecting it to be quite as nice as it was. I mean, there's, on a personal level for an employee, there's so many benefits. Obviously, there's the low-hanging fruit that everyone knows about. There's the lovely tax system, nice salaries, incredible quality of living on almost every aspect. I mean, the healthcare is insane, insane in a good way, by the way. Everyone I speak to and bump into from all walks of life in Switzerland, and that's another great thing as well. People intermingle, the demographics intermingle in a way which I've never seen in another country before. You've got two things, I guess. You've got an excellent societal infrastructure, and you've got an excellent just general business infrastructure. I mean, what I mean by societal infrastructure is that, I mean, the bar is very, very high for the level of education in Switzerland. So employees are incredibly capable individuals.